Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Audi A7. So this car features 19-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear sensors, an electronic tailgate. Inside the car you've got full leather interior, the front seats are heated and the driver's seat has driver position memory. We also get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, cruise control. The car has 10 speakers including a subwoofer. So let's have a look around. It's got the 3-litre TDI engine that gives you 201 brake horsepower. I have 2 former keepers and it's done just over 69,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.